How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. We have a big week this week. So big, in fact, that I'm running out the door and I wanted to tell you about it. And sorry, you might hear the coffee going in the background or the baby, but we have a massive week this week for the markets. And I realize that some people are getting bored of that. You know, every week's a big week, but it really is. You can see there's a lot of volatility in the market. So every week is important right now. I want to go over just for a few minutes what's going on. Of course, I've not been rolling ads in these videos anymore, so you know, we'll get straight to the point. It won't be an 8-minute video. If you do want to trade crypto though, you can check out BYDFi. It's in the link tree. We have an event that just ended where we're giving up to $10,000 of Bitcoin away per person, depending on how much you trade. And we're going to do more of those in the future. I really like trading on that platform too, because we have someone that works there that's in our Telegram. So if you have questions or concerns or anything like that, you can reach out to them through our Telegram. Now, what is going on that's such a big deal this week? Well, we have the biggest company in the world announcing earnings. Okay, so NVIDIA announces earnings. I think it's Wednesday. I could be wrong on that. But they're announcing earnings. That's going to tell us whether the AI trade is alive and strong, which it seems like it is. So many companies announcing that they're going to spend more and more money on AI and on chips. But that is obviously something that a lot of people are going to be paying attention to. What are they guiding for the future? Maybe even more importantly, or as importantly as that, we're starting to get economic data. Keep in mind, we haven't had a lot of economic data while the government was shut down. Now we're going to get unemployment reports. We're going to get a lot of Fed governors speaking this week. The week after this week, we're going to see Q3 GDP. We're also going to see PCE, the first inflation gauge that we've seen in a while. So a lot of people, a lot of institutions sold off last week, being concerned that we're going to start getting economic data, and also that a lot of Fed officials were talking about maybe not being as aggressive on rate cuts. So the market will have to digest all this information this week, but this could be, kind of a turning point where people turn a little bit more bullish. And sorry, you might hear something. Yeah, you're going to hear something loud. People might turn a little bit more bullish if there's more good economic data that comes out. We could see a reversal from what we saw this last week, and we could see people go more risk on. Now, of course, Bitcoin is sitting right under the 50-week moving average. It'd be really nice to reclaim that. There is a CME gap at 92,000 that may come into play next week when the market opens, but we'll have to watch to see if that gets filled. A lot of altcoins down significantly as well. Let me know your thoughts on all this underneath the video. I really do appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate you guys being here. I'll be here through the bull or the bear market, but yeah, if you do want to trade, like I said, there's a link to BYDFi. There are also links to BTCC, Blowfin, Weeks, BitUnix, all in the link tree as well. Thank you so much. See you in the next one. Bye.